Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Go Play Sandwell Super Sundays. I'm Mia and today we're actually going to be making a candle. So in the next couple of moments I'll be showing you what you'll need to get for this activity. Just to note that this activity does include boiling water, so I would suggest that you make sure that an adult is supervising you and helping you out with this activity at all times. Thanks!
So what I have here is candle wax, a tub which I'm going to melt the wax in, glue dots, vanilla scent, a candle tub, I've just used an empty jar, and some wicks so that we can light the candle at the end. After making sure your jar is clean, you're going to take one of the glue dots, put it at the bottom of a candle wick, and then place the wick in the centre of the jar, just to make sure that it's stuck down and doesn't move around when we pour the wax in. After that, you're going to want to place your melting pot into your saucepan and then add in some water and let it get to a boiling temperature, which after that we will add the wax into the smaller container. Once you've poured in your wax, add in your scents and just give your wax a stir every so often to make sure that it's gone nice and smooth and there's no lumps in the wax because we don't want a lumpy candle. Once melted, you want to start pouring your wax in on different stages and letting it set to make sure that there's no holes up here and that you can fill them with the rest of the wax afterwards. Just like this, add it up stage by stage, making sure to get rid of any holes, and eventually you will end up with your candle completely full.
We have our lovely candle and all is left is to put the lid on to keep it nice and sealed. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Super Sundays. See you next time. Bye bye.